I completely agree with this person who said I like ordering things online because when they arrive, it's like a present from me to me because I have ordered these books from Amazon and I'm very excited for these books.
Control, control, Uday.
If you are a reader, you will be very well familiar with this kind of excitement, the excitement of buying books, the excitement of unboxing books. If you have watched one of my previous videos, I talked about 5 books which I was going to read. So I finished all of them, I increased my reading speed and I have become a better reader. Anyway, I think this package contains 7 to 8 books. I don't exactly know how many books are there or what are the books because I have ordered many books and all of them are not yet delivered. So it's a surprise for me as well, and today I will show you all of these books one by one. So watch the video till the end. And if you have read any of these books or all of these books, please let me know in the comments whether you liked it or not. Now without any further ado, let's see what this package contains. Why this is so exciting. So what's the bill? And the first book is Wisdom from Ramayana on Life and Relationships by Chaitanya Charan. If you don't know about Ramayana, it is one of the 2 major epics of ancient India, the other being Mahabharata, and both of these have some great life lessons which you can learn from them. And the author has shared some 20 stories from Ramayana in this book and lessons which you can learn from them, the lessons which are relevant to this modern world. That's why I thought it would be worth reading. The cover is pretty and the print and page quality are excellent. And this book has got a total of 240 pages and I got this book at a price of 145 rupees. So that's an excellent deal. And this was the first book, Wisdom from Ramayana by Chaitanya Charan. The next book, oh, it seems heavy. It seems very heavy, and this is going to be the thickest book which I am going to read. It is the complete short stories of Hercule Poirot by Agatha Christie. And this is very heavy. I can even make muscles with this book.
A few moments later. 1 hour later.
Anyway, if you don't know what Hercule Poirot, he is also a fictional detective just like Sherlock Holmes, and Agatha Christie has written many short stories and novels featuring Hercule Poirot. Just few months ago I read Murder on the Orient Express and it was an amazing read. Then I read novels of Sherlock Holmes and I developed an interest for reading detective fiction. That's why I thought it would be worth reading, and this book has got a total of 900 pages and the print and page quality are excellent. This book has a MRP of 799 rupees and I got this book at a price of 445. और कितने अच्छे दिन चाहिए. So this was the second book, Short Stories of Hercule Poirot, and the next book is again a book of short stories, Selected Short Stories of Rabindranath Tagore, published by Maple Classics. You must be knowing Rabindranath Tagore because he is well known for his remarkable contributions in Indian as well as world literature, and he is a Bengali and I'm also a Bengali, so I thought I should read his short stories. Okay, that's a stupid logic, but anyway, I think this is going to be an interesting read. I don't have any complaint with print and page quality, and this book has got a total of 128 pages and I got this book at a price of rupees 95. So this was the third book. The next book is a very small book. It's getting reflection. Animal Farm by George Orwell. And this is going to be the smallest book which I am going to read. If I compare it with Agatha Christie's book, you will be able to see the contrast. Anyway, George Orwell is very well known for his book 1984, and there were many booktubers who were talking about this book Animal Farm, so I thought I should give it a try. This book has a total of 115 pages and I got this book at a price of 75 rupees. So that's the fourth book, Animal Farm by George Orwell. So the next book is a self-help book which I can't hold and show this to you because this has got a green cover and the screen I am using is also green, so this will cause problems while editing, but I can do this. So the fifth book is Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Don't worry guys, it is not a self-help book on how to eat frogs, but how to stop procrastinating. So I'm facing some problems in time management and I also found myself procrastinating. That's why I thought I should read a book which can help me stop procrastinating, and I found that Eat That Frog is one of the best books on this topic. And this book has a total of 120 pages and it has a MRP of 300 rupees, to be exact 299 rupees, and I got this book at 125 rupees. And the next book is a beautiful hardcover, Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe. It's an adventure fiction and I like to read adventurous books, so this is going to be the first book which I am going to read out of all these books. And since it's a children's book, it has got pictures on every second page. The font size is also large and it has got a total of 240 pages. And I got this book at a price of 138 rupees, which is an amazing deal. Means this beautiful hardcover at 138 rupees. What else could you expect? The next book seems to be the second last is Norwegian Wood by Murakami. Haruki Murakami is the author, I think. Yes, Haruki Murakami, a well-known Japanese novelist. And I don't know much about this book. It was suggested to me by a friend. All I know is that it's a romantic fiction. I can tell you about the print and page quality. They are decent and it has got a total of how many pages? A total of 390 pages and it has a MRP of 600 rupees, but I got this at 360 rupees. So this is the seventh book, Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami. The next and the last book is a beautiful one. It is Punachi, the story of a black goat by Perumal Murugan. Again, it was suggested to me by a friend, and I live in a village and I have seen many goats in this 20 years of life, and this is going to be the first time in which I am going to see the world through the eyes of a goat. This is going to be very interesting. This book has got a total of 173 pages and it has a MRP of 350 rupees, but I got this at 250 rupees. So this is the 8th and the last book, Punachi by Perumal Murugan. So these are the 8 books which I am going to read. If you have read any of these books, let me know in the comments. If you have not, stay tuned to this channel and I will let you know my experiences of reading all this. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel where I talk about books and self-improvement. Thanks for staying with me. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.